Ooh, I'm starting to get excited. So this is my 6th time to Burning Man. I'm stoked. I cannot wait to get there. Hey, you guys want to see something crazy? Check out the temperature. So we're in open playa right now. All the camps are kind of centered around the shape of a clock. This is the first day it hasn't been quite as hot outside, so it's actually reasonable to get out during the day, I feel like, as an Alaskan. I'm not used to these temperatures. What a lot of people do is they'll just sleep during the day in the heat, and they'll come out at night when it's a little more comfortable, and it's pretty fun too. All the lights and stuff are out. I guess this will be my 6th burn. Losing count doesn't really matter, but my point is it's always awesome every time you come out. It's a new experience every time, so you're not going to be repeating any experience. It's always worth coming back.
Love this. I'm not an actress, but people always say to me, I know you're an actress. I'm like, no, but should I be?
Hey, where are we right now?
Oh my god, we're at Burning Man.
How about that?
And it's dusk and it's Wednesday. It's incredible. And we are in Central Camp Plaza, which is an amazing location.
I don't think you could get a better place to camp than this. You can hear the town coming alive too, you know, everyone's sleeping in the heat.
And I'm just about to go crazy.
Yep.
But anyway, I'm just gonna me and Truckhouse Man.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna have a beer, just hanging outside.
That's right.
You know. You just have the best life, don't you?
Yeah, well, you know, try. This is Iona.
Hi, I'm Iona. Nice to meet you all.
She has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, my YouTube channel, Iona.
Apparently.
Oh yeah, so I like dancing. So, but my name's Iona, so it's dancing on my own. And I just dance on my own. Just dance on my own.
Nice.
In random public places.
In random places.
Exactly. I'll do a dance now. I don't know what your fans like.
Oh, that was it. Stuff like that. Let's go over to this mega party really quick just to show you guys how crazy it is. gorgeous.
All right.
Yeah.
Peace and blessings.
All right, here we go. Night begins. So we're gonna take the music out into the playa tonight. Filled up this little towable cart. Gonna tow it with the one wheel and go play some music out in the desert. This is it. We're gonna set up right here, kind of out in this open spot where no one is. See what happens. It's gonna be fun. All right, we're set up. A little ammo fire can. Let's do it. Let's get some music going.
Oh, we're in Camp Connect More.
That's right.
Yes, we are.
What do we do around these parts?
We serve tea and we cuddle and we dance and we play and it's fantastic.
We build connections and false forgiveness.
No. Well, yes, yeah.
We're gonna roll out to the outer playa out here and show you guys what's up really quick with the cars. It's pretty sweet. Let's go check it out.
But I feel like I need it like
These lights were on and they're now off.
Oh, that's fine.
Check out this Garbra.
Out of the body and you can come back to the car and go on the ride. I will go to the cylinder. We are not from Germany.
I can't explain this to you guys. You just have to come here. That's all I'm gonna say. There's nothing else like it in the world anywhere. Like, period. Straight up. It's become its own thing. So there's these things called art cars. They're basically just build these giant art structures on a vehicle and drive them around. The other big thing is you can totally get lost in here, and you can't necessarily depend on the lights because if you stay out late enough and people go to bed, the lights start turning off. So our generators run out. So this is the temple.
Wasn't open when we drove by yesterday.
Let's go catch this art car. This one's actually moving. So I was trying to explain in our car, but it's better just to show you. all kinds of keys, tricks out here, tips, whatever. But if you remember anything, you need to remember to keep your eyes on the man up there. That is the center, essentially, of everything. So when you're out here in the dark, it just gets super disorienting. So if you get lost, or you just want to see where you're at, you just look around for the man over there, and you know that's the center. But you need to know if it's the front or the back of the man. But either way, the front or the back of the man is 6 and 12 o'clock. So everything is like a watch. Well, you guys probably can't tell, but I was just throwing a little open mic out front. It was going really well for about an hour, and then it started lightning like crazy outside, and apparently there's this mega storm coming within probably another 10 minutes. So we ripped everything apart, put all the stuff inside, get the camp all strapped and battened down. It's supposed to have 70-mile-an-hour winds. If you haven't been on the playa when it rains, it's insane. If you walk 10 feet, you'll have a foot of mud stuck to the bottom of your shoe. Anyway, you can tell everyone is leaving the outer playa and riding towards their camps right now, and we might be locked in for a while out here.
This is for legacy. Don't get it twisted now. Look how I put it down. Don't get it twisted now. Get it twisted now. We on the mission now.
Yeah. There's places to chill out here too, like, you know, you get tired, there's a bed. Get yourself some sleep.
I took responsibility when I found.
Just cool. You can't see it all out here. Absolutely impossible. There's so much to see. It's outer playa. That's more like art installation and art cars. And then when you get against the city. There's the porta potties. You're gonna have to look for them at night. They got like the blue lights up top, little tiny blue dots. Helps you identify them. Nice. Yeah, check out the 7.3 over here. Unfortunately, we're camped right over here. I think the center camp's super easy to find. Well, it's officially wrapped, guys. Sunday morning, we're taking off. And here we go. There's already a line on Sunday morning. Can't even imagine leaving tomorrow. Woo, it is dusty, man. I'll tell you what. We're out of here, though. It's all gonna narrow down up here, and hopefully the wait won't be too long. Almost 3 hours now. We're almost to the pavement. All these lanes are merging into one up here. All right, we reached the pavement. Woohoo! Look at all the playa coming off the vehicles. Anyway, guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video and the experience that I took you through at Burning Man this year, 2022. Always a life-changing event every time you go, and you should go check it out sometime. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.